So there's like your normal things like chorizo, there's carne asada, there's carne con chile, carne verde, there's rice, there's beans, there's cheese, there's eggs, there's cream, there's a variety of vegetables, including like tomatoes, cilantro, squash, calabacitas, things like that. Pretty normal for a Mexican restaurant.
Vegetables in there, and there's some lettuce.
Do you prefer chocolate or white?
White. And I don't buy regular milk because it's really bad for you. It's really bad for you. Because your body can't process it because they heat it up and they kill all the enzymes that like to process it. And so it actually like takes more nutrients out of your body.
Excuse me, Bird. What's in your fridge?
Almond milk, cottage cheese, lettuce. I like Chinese, I like Indian. There's only one kind of food I don't like. I hate baby corn. Baby corn is wrong. It's immoral. You're killing little baby corn.
So you care about baby corn?
I care. It matters to me.
The first question is what's in your fridge? Do you know what's in your fridge? Yeah, what's in there? Drinks. Drinks? What kind of drinks?
Well, organic. I have good belly. Sure. Natural groceries, chicken, coconut, salad.
You want to know what's in my fridge, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. In my fridge, I've got some eggs, I've got some cheese, some milk, sour cream, I've got meat, beef, I've got chicken, I've got hot dogs, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, relish, onions, salsa.
Do you like spicy?
Yeah.